Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Allegiant Mastercard online. So if you want to learn how, here's how you can do it. Open up a preferred web browser of your choice, and when the search box appears, type in login Allegiant Mastercard and press enter. You'll be taken to a new page where you can see all of the search results based on your search. Click on this first link, which will take you to Bank of America, since your Allegiant World Mastercard is issued by Bank of America. Now, click on the login link at the top right hand corner and make sure to log into your online banking account for Bank of America. Click on this Enroll in Online Banking button if you don't have the account yet, and then enter the card or account number information and your social security number or your tax ID number in the text boxes on the next page. In the first text box, type in the last 6 digits of your card number or your account number. Go to the next field and type in your social security number or TIN. If you don't have access to these information, you can click on this Don't Have an SSN or a TIN and follow through the prompts. Now click on the Continue button and follow through the prompts in order to finish up your enrollment. Once you have an account, you'll be able to access your MasterCard online anytime you want. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these tutorials again. Thanks for watching.